Welcome to our new video. So today we are going to discuss 5 major points from which you can improve your content writing and get handsome amount of earning from online websites like Fiverr, LinkedIn, etc. Here is the 5 points, and number 1 is know your audience. Understanding your audience is a crucial for tailoring your content to their interest, need and preferences. Identify demographics, pain points and what kind of information they seek. Creating reader personas can help you visualize your target audience and write effectively. Number 2 is research and plan. Conduct thorough research on your topic to ensure accuracy and relevance. Check for credible sources and analyze competitor content. Create an outline that organizes your ideas and supporting points, which will serve as a roadmap for your writing and help you to maintain focus. Number 3 is write a compelling draft. Start with a strong introduction that grabs attention and clearly states what the content will cover. Use clear and concise language throughout your writing, incorporating subheadings, bullet points, and examples to enhance readability and engagement. Aim for a conversational tone that resonates with your audience. Number 4 is one of important points from which you can improve your content writing more effectively. After drafting, take a break from revising to gain a fresh perspective. Focus on clarity, coherence, and flow, ensuring that each paragraph transitions smoothly to the next. Check for grammatical error, awkward phrasing, and overall readability. This step is vital for producing polished and professional content. And last one is optimize and publish. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally to enhance SEO and improve visibility in search engines. Craft a compelling title and meta description. After finalizing your content, publish it and promote it across social media platforms and other channels to reach your target audience effectively. Following these steps will help you to create high quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience and achieve your objectives. After following these 5 major points, you can make your content writing more effective and make handsome amount of money from these sources like LinkedIn, Fiverr, Upwork by the content writing. If you like the content, then hit the like button and subscribe the channels. Follow the channels to get more content like this.